So hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, today nandito tayo sa ating car with...
That's me, Jax.
So today, we are heading to where, Jax?
I think it's a Japanese garden. I'm not going to try to pronounce the other word because I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. It's like Himeji or something like that there. So it's a Japanese garden within the south sort of garden area of Adelaide. So it's kind of like a garden within a garden. We're looking at it right now. So yeah, we'll check out all the like manicured plants and whatever little sculptures and stuff I have in there, and yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm just getting my equipment ready and we should have some decent footage today. So, ayan.
So guys, meron kaming ano dito still?
Yes, it's 3 meters long. It goes from the back of a car to the front of a car.
Becca naman, Bunnings.
There's Bunnings Warehouse.
Look how very beautiful is this until here, until at the back, guys. So we're driving like that and I'm holding on the other side.
It's because it's sold out in Mount Gambier. I can't buy it, so this is going to be used for the caravan, but I bought it all the stock in Mount Gambier and I haven't bought any more or restocked their stock, so it was easy to buy it here in Adelaide and we'll take it back when we go back next week.
Bulaga! So yun na guys, and today is a shower. So merong mga ulan-ulan dyan. Nakita nyo? Ayan, may mga ulan-ulan. Basang-basa ang ating kalsada for today. Ayan, may mga basang-basa. So ayan guys, nilagyan namin siya ng jacket hanggang doon sa dulo guys. So we're still in Adelaide and we are going to walk here sa Japanese garden guys. So guys, Bulaga, what are we waiting for? Happy watching!
There you go, Himeji Garden. There it comes there. That's the map.
The Adelaide Himeji Garden contains features which are of profound religious significance to the Japanese people. It contains features designed to recall the beauty of nature. Built to commemorate the Japanese city of Himeji, which became one of Adelaide's sister cities in 1982, the garden on show in this little oasis today was the work of Japanese landscape designer Yoshitaka Kumada and many talented volunteers. There are several features throughout the garden which show the sister city bond between Adelaide and Himeji. The granite lantern, Okinawan by the entryway, was a gift from the city of Himeji, and the inscription reads,
What's up, InDaynaMo? So I don't know if it's worth its own video or you just slap it into a day video. I think there's turtles in there. There's a turtle. Turtle. There he is. Oh, his koi's as well. There's a fish right under him. Not going to come and say hello. So yeah, there's koi's in there and there's other little fish here as well. So probably, I don't know if they'll get eaten by the koi's because they're small bite size. I don't know if the turtle will eat them or the fish will. Yes, just leads to the entry. Go around to the left here. Let's go to the left. An arc. That's what it is. Adelaide and Himeji are sister cities, so they assisted in building the garden. So I don't know if there's much around 1995, I think it is. So I don't think there's much around the outside, but I noticed on this side here there was still more trees. Smoking a pipe?
Huh?
Is he smoking a pipe? I don't think it's a vape, it smells like a pipe.
Yeah, it's a pipe.
Here we go, here's more trees. Hello, mister. Oh, it's actually more back here. No, they're lorikeets, like the colourful green and rainbow coloured ones. See up there?
I don't want to up and then they will put. So, that's it guys. That's our Adelaide Himeji Garden for today's video. Nakita niyo, nag-walking tayo dito sa loob ng Adelaide Himeji Garden. Nakita niyo, it's a traditional Japanese garden offering meditative paths and ornamental gate. Nakita niyo, there's a lake, there's a tea house, there's a lot of koi, there's a lot of fish here, and pwede kang mag-walk sa loob. Medyo maliit lang siya guys, and they have a lot of plants inside, and it's very refreshing, very relaxing. So nakita nyo, there's a few people na nagstay dun for a while for I think for a minute, for an hour, to get some fresh air, fresh ambiance. So this is the end of our Adelaide Himeji Garden for today's video, our walking tour for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching and thank you for supporting my videos. Magalang shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah. Ciao la!